Welcome to Yenway Cooking. Are you having hair problem? Today we are going to cook a soup that is going to help you with your hair growth and prevention of gray hair. Here are the ingredients for the soup. Rinse the black beans and red beans thoroughly and soak them for about 2 to 3 hours for easier cooking. Lightly rinse the red dates. And now let's remove the pits with a scissor. Okay, we are done with the red dates. Now let's put all the ingredients together. Add in 500 ml water. Cover it and bring to boil. Once it boils, turn down to low heat and cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add in brown sugar and coconut milk. You may replace coconut milk to milk as well. Then cook for another 10 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. All the ingredients in this soup has great benefits for hair, so take it often. It will help your hair growth and also prevention of gray hair. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new. See you next time.